Hi, my name is Demetrius Kambanis and I'm the spokesmodel for these series of videos. The purpose of these videos is to simply give you the means of improving your aquarium. The products that we mention are the ones we make and use. We've designed them to make owning an aquarium easier, run smoother and look incredible without breaking your budget. A huge part in owning an aquarium is providing the necessary environment for your aquarium's inhabitants. In this video, I will explain to you the key factors that you need to consider and how to successfully maintain them. Before we begin, I want to explain to you some of the features of our Australian-made products. In the middle of the product, you'll notice a big cube, which happens to be our logo. There is a colour specific to the product. The name of the product is exactly what it is. On the left, you'll see what the iron is and what it does within your aquarium, while on the right we have contents, directions, dosing and caution. If you don't want to do the calculations by yourself, we have a free app that does the calculations for you. One last thing, clear bottles versus black bottles. Clear is meant for our dosing pumps because you can see when the bottle is running low and you can replace it immediately. Black can be used with our dosing pumps, but be careful not to overdose as they are minor elements. Okay, let's begin. The environment created by the salt you choose will be a major contributor to the overall performance of your aquarium. After years of research and literally thousands of tests, we have mastered our salt manufacturing process. We are able to provide you a premium mix that contains the necessary major, minor and trace elements. It can cater for all types of saltwater aquariums by simply adjusting the dose. We run tests on every batch to help ensure consistency. With regards to water changes, we recommend doing 10% weekly, which helps your aquarium receive clean, chemically balanced water. When water evaporates, it leaves salt behind. This throws out your salinity and the ionic balance within your aquarium. To solve this, we created two automatic water top-up kits, the first being gravity-fed and the second being a pump. The unique feature of our pump is that it has an added sensor which shuts off automatically when the DI water runs out. Another component you need to consider is to keep your aquarium's water at around 25 degrees Celsius. To do this, you need heaters and coolers. We have fixed heaters suited for nano tanks and adjustable LED heaters for all other types of aquariums. They shut off automatically when taken out of water to help prevent thermal cracking. Your aquarium may be placed in one of the two types of warm rooms. The first one is one that gets really hot. This means you need to cool your water fast and energy efficiently. To do this, we provide you thermoelectric chillers. They cool your water fast, they are energy efficient, they're super quiet, and they contain no refrigerants or coolants. The next type of warm room is one that doesn't really get too hot. It may only increase by a couple of degrees. If your aquarium is in this type of room, you don't necessarily need to buy a chiller. Instead, you can try one of our cooling fans. They cool your water fast, energy efficiently, and they're super quiet. They can drop the water of your aquarium by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Now that your aquarium is coming together, you need to provide your coral the spectrum they need. We have premium LED lights that give your coral the spectrum they need for colour, health and growth. When it comes to lights, salt often builds up on the light itself. Generally, you need to carefully remove the salt so you don't ruin the lights by wetting them. That isn't the case with ours. They are IPX7 waterproof, which means you can take them off, rinse them with fresh water, but being careful not to wet the switch on the cord. Place them back in your aquarium and they're as good as new. While owning an aquarium, you may notice it has a bit of a yellow tinge or bad smell. To combat this, we have our bioactive and pelletized activated carbon. Our pelletized activated carbon is high quality, high strength, it has an extremely low leachable phosphate concentration, it can be used in canister filters and is suitable for fresh and naturally low nutrient saltwater aquariums without significantly affecting pH. If you're running a full tank, it means that you require more effective means of purifying your water. Our bioactive carbon is suited for exactly that. The carbon itself was designed for ultra-pure water sanitization, originally meant for human consumption. It has the necessary pore sizes and water contact surface area for beneficial bacteria to grow. The bacteria will actually consume organic toxins which improve the effectiveness of organic material for roughly 1 month. If the correct conditions are present, it can additionally remove ammonia, ammonium and nitrite by housing the beneficial bacteria species Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. It will not leach any toxic compounds, it won't significantly affect pH. The large size not only makes it easier to use but improves hydrodynamics. It also has an extremely low phosphate concentration and high hardness. Both of our activated carbons come with a free 800 micron polyester bag with a zipper locking feature. This allows you to fill up, degas, rinse and place into your aquarium straight away. That's it for step 1, environment. Next is step 2, algae control. Thanks for watching.